If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Specially made for advanced bodybuilders, the DMoose Fitness Dip Belt is a performance accessory that can transform any dip or pull-up into a real test of force. With heavy-duty double stitching, a steel chain, and neoprene insertions, this dip belt is your answer to getting a perfectly sculpted body faster. If you want to consistently work towards progressive overload and train in a way that pushes yourself further, the DMoose Fitness Dip Belt with chain is the answer. You can attach any type of additional weight to the belt, including a weight plate, a kettlebell, a dumbbell, or even a barbell, so you can redesign your training and get results faster. Why choose the DMoose Fitness Dip Belt? The 36-inch heavy-duty steel chain ensures your weights are secured. Soft neoprene material for comfort fit. Unique strong contour with a wider back. Heavy-duty double stitching to support tons of weight. Reinforced stainless steel double D rings and carabiners for maximum strength and resilience. Our fitness gear line is designed to push your limits while ensuring optimal protection and health. DMoose Fitness products ensure top quality durability and maximize your results. With better equipment, you'll have a better workout.
Hi, I'm Meg Fox. This is my Element 26 belt. I absolutely love it for a few reasons. Number one, it's super comfortable. It's also really adjustable on the fly during a workout. So if I'm going between lifting something really heavy to doing handstand push-ups or burpees, it adjusts really quickly and then I can put it back to being tight for my lift. And I also love the color. This purple is awesome.